Hey yo guys, it's another week, another dollar, another bakery, another bread. As you all know, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream Intwana nje yase King Indlovu that is traveling all over the continent. I was in Mozambique a few days ago, and thank you so much for the hospitality. I am going to Zimbabwe few days to come, and I'm looking forward to visit you once again. Thank you so much. Africa my beginning, Africa my ending, the only king that matters. Inkosi yomjolo, inkosi azululi, the fixer. You know. It's Bibli King. Welcome to King Ginger TV, and thank you so much for making sure that you support this #1 channel. We are growing, but I'm having some small concern. We've been sitting on 192,000 guys. Please take the king straight to 200,000 by subscribing and telling a friend to tell a friend to do the right thing. You know what it is. I love you so much, Mzansi. I love you so much, my continent. I love you so much everywhere you are, wherever you are watching me. Thank you so much. Subscribe, Mzansi. Let me take you to kwabahlukanayo. Sibone ukuthi today kimango fambela ngibri. Take me to it. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimaju mabuyu bampoluyu class. Welcome to Antisafufulu. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. What made you go to We are back at it, Mzansi, and it's cold in Johannesburg. Ngidabukela amadodeni azolala odwa. Ngidabukela nalabo besimame lawo lezo intombi zenu ezobulawa amakhaza ngoba la siyahlukana, la sihlangana, la silungisi, la kuyaphela. Intombi yakho mayisizela okwazi ukuthi iyadliwa. Yadliwa. Bathi ngalikhiphi leli gama labatsala. Bathi ngasho ukuthi inyalo labantu bayadliwa. Mtaka ma wazusichazela ukuthi ubani ofuna ukumlahla. Angazi kuvela kwathi ngiyaphila ubani kama? What's up guys? It's King Ginger TV. If you are looking for a smarter way to trade online, let me show you Pocket Broker. And one feature that really caught my attention, AllTrade. Pocket Broker gives you access to trading signal, indicators, social trading, educational resources, and 24/7 support. Plus, there are over 130 assets available to trade. What makes AllTrade different is that it lets you open trades using the platform funds instead of your own. If the trade wins, you keep the profits minus the AllTrade value. If it loses, the personal balance isn't affected. For example, a successful AllTrade can generate a real profit without risking your own fund, making it a great way to test strategies. Getting started is easy. Register through Pocket Broker, and don't forget to use my promo code GingerJune1 for bonuses. Make sure you enter when signing up.
I'm Fifi.
Fifi?
Yep.
Where are you from, Fifi? Oh, okay. So, Fifi, umjolo kwenzani?
Umjolo is not actually in fact like ziyabuya nje.
It's not giving.
It's not giving. Akumnandanga.
Nibangani nale party?
So, okay, let's fere.
Yeah.
Ngathi silelani akabheji akanasikhathi sami like nje sekashintshile nje kuyo yonke into.
So, let's tipha lesi besikubheja before.
Yeah, bekabheja before bekangipha isikhathi beka right saqala ukujola, but ever since angazi ukuthi ngathi vele washintsha nje like out of the blue.
Ma umringa umtshela ukuthi ekuseni ngathi phela usuya lekha manje and mina ngincanywa the way owangena ngakhona le speed leso wafika ngaso uthini.
Umtshela ukuthi obviously uyahasila and stuff, so angeke ahlale anesikhathi for mina into kanjalo, so yeah.
So if I can, if ungangithatha ungifake through, uqale nini ukubona ama-signs and yiziphi izinto othi usufila ngathi vele kunomuntu ajola naye, njengoba ubusho ukuthi lo muntu lona ufila ngathi sekunabantu awusekho uyi-one, ufila ngathi senibaningi. So yini le ekwenze ukuthi ubone lokho, like kuye kwenzakalani?
Othomile otshintsha I think boma last week, and then naphela mfunela boliti go senga tla tlontsheka ha bua ko sekolong.
Yeah.
But then like since from that last week nje ya ba sa dira dilo tseo, se le nna ke mo funela no ke motsang gore o iralang ka yena and stuff.
Oh, and leyo nto ikwenza ufile kanjani?
Ekwenza ukuthi ngingafili kahle cause like it's obviously uyajola, it's either uyacheat and stuff, so nami nje hayi ngimezela ukuthi izinto zibe lula, ngicela ukuthi sihlukane like.
Mara lona leli babedi ligcinelene ngo spenda nako together, like maybe cuddling out wabona.
I think last week Friday, yeah, last week Friday ne ke na le yena, but nantsa ali awkward nyana.
Ulewazama go bua le yena?
Zanka ka zama cause every time ya ke re ke zama phela nghosta, so ne se ke tinile leng.
O batla go reng mo go yena a fitla mo?
Ke mmotse gore re hlogane fele cause a sana ntse re hlakantshitseng.
Wena so mo kreile motho mo?
Ke go talking stage le motho ke na le yena. Yeah, so yeah.
O robele pelo ne?
Thata jo cause like beke mo frostana mara ya kusenana. Life goes on.
Life goes on.
I think wala.
Agna pari?
Agna pari zongeng.
Yeah, agna pari zongeng. Welcome. Uma sister la udinga usizo lethu uthi akuna pari ezongcema. So siswami welcome lo. Uthi ukunika ama options awu2. First option is that you break up with your boyfriend, yeah, and then after that remonta go basing ya go gae re mo palamisa taxi kwa ko thabeng wa bona ke re thaba ele go feta di taxi go nko Jozi da o tla palama taxi ya ngo Jozi abaya go town a go Bree, from go Bree a create taxi tlamisa ngo Kasi, o re gotlele yena go bus ya go gae le wena le yena ta we re le latileng ka teng. Which one you choose?
I choose the first one.
The first one?
Yeah.
Mfari asinice le kokoloyini yakodladleni. Ubayizela my sister. Angithi ngiright mangimbiza ngosinayi.
Right, ibhari vele nje.
Okay sister, angifuni phela mase kufika indoda yakho la umusuthi hawu baba mina sengithe ibhari umuntu wakho. So siswami, I want to know from you mhlambe as you are saying you are on a talking stage with the next person, yena awaboni mhlawumbe ama red flags the way my brother naye akwenza ngakhona, or things are very smooth uyamtrust lo again?
Naye nyawabona ama red flags because like ke tla reng umfunela hanya kumpona fela, so like yeah
uze ngeitori na
yeah, so mama akithi fela because like sambane re qala, so yeah.
But uzoyizama?
Yeah, ngizoyizama if ngiyahluleka. It's normal.
It's normal.
Yeah.
Let's welcome. Brother, this side in page. What's some page? I'll tell me na. How's it, my brother?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila ungahlala mfethu. Ubani kami mfethu?
Kabela.
Kabzozo. Ngihleli nomamazi lana. Wa re blela ka wena the way le ratalang monate ga teng, le the way mo tshoreng ka monate teng. Wena o ka re ke eng o ratang ka yena? Kabzozo.
Ka morata ke lezothi la.
Lezothi. Kabela, where you from?
I'm from PT, but right now I'm Mojozi.
Mojozi.
Yeah.
Big up, my brother. So, ungathi wena umphethe njani umuntu wakho?
Ngimthura sharp wayithile no ngimthura wetese.
Mara umplele mfethu wayibona mara future le monate le two ko future le ja tšhelete go le monate na o le bona le jwang?
Yeah. wa bona bjanong wa itse mo ya ka gore bjanong a ke re wa itse gore bophelo bo bjang mara ena ke motho mo wete nkano if re tshwarana shapo bo in future tla be re le wete wa ntlhalwanya o no re vele
so wena o no so gobi ko future gore wena le yena le tla ba jwang o no santsane mo shebela mo hela
ya no so ne sentsane ke
o shebela mo
ya
bra ka gona le batho ge bona a ba shebileng ko future gore go etsagalang be ba gutla gape be ba bona gore ko future ka re go thata and ka re bona ha so my sister o batla go bolela gore yena o bone eng ko future ne yeah a mo bolela sister ukuthi wena future ko so ibonile ndo so yayazi
so Kabelo ku biditse mo ke tlo botsa go fedi I think nna lona ga gawane cause like since we acted as naksinyana matsatsing a so like yeah go botsa gore nje re tlogane tju like aksa o nyaka
yeah like it over
yes o be like bya nga go tlhalohanya la ke re o itse wena ya interview
ne ke tsa o bolella o ya se gore like ke tli go ditse from go di camereng for go tampa and stuff
because a gone go bua le wena go khone wa monenga wa ngana too much
ono tswana le drama no re o re mpila o lela ntho e utlwalang nna go a go tlhalohang
ke ga ke sa o nyaka jo kana go
or malaba ka lao ke eng wa sa mpotsa pila re le go o rwa mpotsa one text
o phelong ignore ne ko botsa jwang o phelong ignore
and wena o batla go ja ngwana o fela ntho itse bang ke go moja
ampichelete
ntšele sister kopa o dintse gore a go beje
go beje mara jo now is nna go tlhalohanye pila re o tsala o itse dikendane ha re go nna re ejo bjana le bjana ke shapo ka jo ka setheo sa skuta setheo go yena go ntlhalwa banong a bolela taba tsa zaka nna wa mmagatsa pila re o bolela ka zake feng ga ra ona mo le reng salera nna pila go fase ra bolela ka tšhelete
nka se phele ke ja di KFC every day o logo o bela like jo auzame re bo go zbenke be di restauranteng like something like
wena o di bitsela go ntlong
o phela o hasla nje mara like yo a ehle
a digan tutlwana le drama
and the Brian dikentene a re yena ntho e motswafisang ka wena ke gore a o tsebe future a o tsebe next wena o tsebe future Brian and if anda improve it umpleletse nna ko pele wa gage gore wena ko future a o ida
o tsebe ambraka na ke lo tse lo re ke re a ksona no fitla go a o re ke ra ke dako
jwang o sa nagane go fitla ko because motho o tsamaya le yena no yana so wena ke mang o kwa o sa batleng gore o mo bone o santsane o bona which means wena mfethu o phusha nako ka ngwana o mmusha fela
a ke mo je fela ngwana o itse dikente jo nna ke tso re iralang jo okay mpotse mo ho iralang he ho tlwa go nno ya go mang he sintso le ro
mcha mpleletso tle ya
ha tlwa go nno ya go mang a ke re nna a ke mo fitšhelete me bu krila mo fanzaka
no my brother o ska be ya jwalo
no e byao ke be byang
no arwana no mo kgathatsa ba go shabile mo kgathatsa
why asa o villain a ke re banong one banong a bonkentsha matho a batho nso ke matho a
o pelo ignore go fudine go botsa bya ignore
o kile wa reng
re go no bolela neng na lwena ke no bolela neng like go re bue nje re gonne
the only thing o igcinileng ke last week a o go moja sa dilas
o itse dintshang a o no re nka phela ke le go phone wa itse le eno rageletse ntwa mathomo ntlhalwa ya phanda ka yi
nna ke gelezi mara ke phela ke le founu a ke gelezi tsenya go hafisa
o no o bolela bjang
a ntsatsandani vele
no wa mutlo bolela bjang
mara le sa ratana braya ka
ya
mara le sa ratana so akana bulela le wena
wa ke go abusive ke bolela ka ntho so
yo angisazi sister ngicela umtshele futhi ukuthi wena usu
aksa unyaka like aksa unyaka jo if unyaka dilo tse lo reng maybe ska o tshoro ntse o bela bo dijo and stuff unyaka tšhelete teng ke tlebuisa but aksa unyaka aksena ka ales
wena a o no re nka batla lotse wa selo lotse nna ke re lotse ne tshwantse re nnile fatshe re boletse ka tsona
because ha uphela uli busy ska tshwana uphela uli busy
o le busy bra
uli busy go busy ka ngaki
kwali kwa
mara mabaka ya utlwa lo wa itse re ke busy ke irang kira zaka ke re ke busy ke ira zaka ene ka mo ageleza it's not like ke busy ka lo tse ditse
zaka be felela ko ka zaka ye
o busy ka eng
Autiak ska shupa ngwanyana ene ngwanyana o a sa ratana le wena o na le motho wa gago montšha sister kopo mo bolelle mblele sotle tso mpleletseng tsone gore wena o na le mono montšha ende o sharp le santsane le thoma ntho ya lona ene e monate wa mo trusta e go feta
tsona lo tsene ke di bolelang ke re wa bona dilo tse
di khombingane wena lokhuzana
mara wa mutwa reng a kere
me la ibuwe yena ya mtshele sister
so ke go talking stage le chomi yao
nanga maga
ha kanti uchomi yakhe waye usasebeleli gore
nanga maga mina
so yeah and like dilo tsa gona di a tshepisa no so ba thabo bona thabo botsa lena
o bolela ka tshumi ke fe
a uzolo mayekutshela
uno tswana ke re ba re ba dilo tsa bona di a tshepisa ke re kenya go ba fa di blessing ke re a shidi di blessings and di blessing a ke re send di blessing mpotse ke mang
ke Zibusiso
mang
Zibusiso
ha
a na long
so mini wena ha go nya go fa di blessing o tsho vele ne ntse Zibusiso sa ka hafisa jo
o mo gafi oh sorry
le nna wang hafisa
mara sister unga ichomi yakhe le beka ngacavu waye uthi
nasamphi nako so kire beyang
so wena ngichomi yakhe
mara
mawuthithisa siyandlula but asinasikhathi
wa mutlo bolela bjang
hayi motlogele bra ka kopa o theoswe moya o accept ntho a go fang yone are o reng mo go yena sister ha sa monyaka
jo next onyaka so ka qhubeka uphele the bona ko phela ka hona cause vele hleli nina no disturb ko life nya hao so pusha whatever you pusha ese hustling boyfriend bophelo hustler mara ke bono hustlela eng so like dira whatever no nyaka we is chai
wena bila wa mperekisa wena bila no o nya ke hustlele wena
bere ke sana nna le wena
no e bia bila taba ya bona re nna ke hustler o bona re ke hustlela eng a ke hustlela nna o nya ke hustlele wena
ke girlfriend ka expect
ke zama ka mkhwe ke khona wa ntlhalwa ona le monke ya compromise man it's not like gore ke khona le lotso tsotlhe man kan wa sanya go utlwisisa o tlhalwanyo re
okay o kile wa nkirelang he mo phelong ba ke nka tshokare ya even though le hasele mara kile nkirela ntho so o kile
wa understand gore ka geleza
nna ke gelezi na
kono na le flopo wena
Zibusiso motlogele bra ka ba jane le Zibusiso
Zibusiso seng e ka sirala
ba re ke Zibusiso yena le
ba sempotse ntwe
le yena Zibusiso o tonyela sis ka o botsa Zibusiso o tonyela le yena o mmotse le yena o tonyela
and Autiak my sister a re go fe chelete gore wena go pala makwa a sa tsamale wena ka bus because wena wa lwana ke yo moshupa so o tla tsamale wena
jwang no go sa ikhoso ka ba se ba
ngangling phisane ngemali la
it's fine
yeah mnika 50 rand ho nangu umuntu ebala Autiam ke ya taxi kwa ya Bree from Bree o tla ya kasi asa go nyaka mamzala
is chai
vele o ifetsa ka mfu
go fila go ntlo block he go block he o delete nepe tsa ka o delete everything ya ka go phone ya hao like aksenya ka next
ka mo post ka post
ladies a jo like go khopela
and the boyfriend ya ga tla kwata
and you need to accept the journalist position
na le yena kisi
ai Autiaka a ke batle go utlwa gore ba re ba go morile go kasi kwa mara le wena a ke batle go utlwa ba re o tlhabile motho go kasi because a ke ari please and
bo tlabele sting nna ke tlo dila
musumshanga imali uyayidinga le mali ukugibela why umushapa ka chelete
yena yona wayithoka vele
uzohamba ngani hamba ebrake tsaye brake why ke uboni wena
ai
abona ke go saiko
etsaye nthetho ska tsa rof bra yaka
a ke re ke dile etsaeng a le tsaye
Awuyinyaki braka. Itlise. O tla tsamaya ka maoto braka, o tla tsamaya ka maoto. Wena o tla tsamaya ka maoto. Waza sister, indoda yakuhamba ngeenyawo.
Awujwayele vele iphokosi.
Uzizwa unjani njengoba usubhodlile kuyena?
Ke kwa botse mara wa ke ya ka gore like relationship ya hae lasbusise e tonna bjang se ke jola le tšhomi ya hae so like up to so far like ke feel like guilty nyana somewhere somehow but then yeah.
Sure. Askis. But to right, what we advise you to do, because Ramubona boyfriend Walwana, we advise you to police station or bule protection order so that there is something mo maponisa adilelien.
Na fitso ke di camera fela jole ka nka
se motho a lwana.
Se motho bia na fitso ke di camera.
No, wa motseba fela.
Yeah, ka meet.
All right, welcome. Telutsa to my sister, umfake pasini. Siyabonga kakhulu, we are taking you home, straight home.
Yabonga.
Sharp. Ooh. Ay kushubile ke manje. Take me home. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Batsumti manje mabuyo bampolunyu stars. Welcome to Antisaki Food. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. My sister, what made you go to inkinga usekhathele yisena